Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Assist. Did you know that the iPhone can scan documents without installing any other apps? All you need is the Note app. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. We're going to go ahead and push Notes. And once we do, go ahead and push this bottom to start a new note. Then we're going to go ahead and push that paper clip right here. Go ahead and push that. Then we're going to hit Scan Documents. Now, once you get your document, I'm just using that as an example. We're going to go ahead and push Scan Document. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. So say I'm scanning this, and then go ahead and just push that. Now it will be right here, and then you can actually mess around with it in case your angle is a little bit off, and you can edit it. And then when you're done, just put keep, or if you mess up, put retake. Then it will automatically be saved within your notes. But in case you don't retake, you're going to want to make sure you push OK on top for it to save. And now it will be saved. Okay, so there we go, guys. Now it's going to be saved in your notes. When you open notes, we're going to find it in like just all clouds, and then you'll see it right here. So, all right, guys, I hope this video helps. If it does, please like, subscribe, comment. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.